Yeastar P-Series Software Edition can now be deployed on DigitalOcean directly from the Yeastar Partner Portal. This integration not only streamlines the configuration process by eliminating the need to switch between platforms, but also significantly reduces deployment time, enabling you to respond quickly and efficiently to customer requirements. In this video, we will walk you through the integration process. We manage the automatic deployment by integrating Yeastar Partner Portal with DigitalOcean through API. So to get started, make sure you have an active Yeastar Partner Portal account and a DigitalOcean account with permissions to create and manage resources. You will also need to generate a personal access token on DigitalOcean. Log into your DigitalOcean account and head to the API section from the left-hand menu. Click Generate New Token. Give it a descriptive name and set an expiration date if needed. Select the read and write scopes to ensure full access for the deployment. Then click Generate Token. Copy the token immediately as it will only be shown once, and store it securely. Next, log into the Yeastar Partner Portal with your credentials. Navigate to Products and Purchase and find the P-Series Software Edition. Click on Install PBX and choose DigitalOcean as your deployment option. On the authorization page, paste the access token you just generated. If you plan to deploy more instances in the future, you can check the option to remember and maintain the authorized connection status. Then, click Verify to proceed. Now configure your instance settings. Start by giving your instance a recognizable name and select a project. Then, select the deployment region that's closest to your users for optimal performance. Choose the appropriate instance type based on the number of extensions and concurrent costs your PBX system will handle. Use the provided guidelines in the portal to match your requirements. If you have an SSH key for secure access, select it here or proceed without one if necessary. Once your settings are finalized, click Create and Install. The system will automatically start applying the Yeastar P-Series Software Edition on DigitalOcean. You can monitor the process directly in the Partner Portal. When the deployment is complete, you will receive the instance details, including its public IP address. Now open your web browser and enter the public IP to access the PBX web portal. Follow the on-screen instructions to activate and configure your P-Series Software Edition. And that's it. You've successfully deployed the Yeastar P-Series Software Edition on DigitalOcean in just a few simple steps. Well, if this video helps, don't forget to click on like button and subscribe it for more details. Thank you for watching and happy deploying.